Want to see who you follow on Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to see who you follow on Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Threads app on your device. After that, click on profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on two horizontal lines icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on privacy. Click on the profiles you follow button. Here you can see the list of all the people you follow on the Threads app. And that's how you can see who you follow on Threads app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.